The Pioneer Incentive Scheme, which is governed by the Industrial Development Income Tax Relief Act, is designed by government as part of efforts to enable ease of doing business and accelerate growth of startup companies and industries. The list, covering a wide range of 27 industries and products to enter into the pioneer status of the scheme and to enjoy 3-year tax holiday to enable them grow and expand investment. A financial expert, Phineas Elisha, welcomes the move as good development that will enable startup companies grow fast and in turn contribute to the economy in terms of employment, among others.
And that's the reason why there is this tax holiday, for the government to encourage, certain industries so they can be viable in the long run, and then you get more benefit from, taxation. Now, if the income tax is about, let us say, 45% of the earned profit, that is taxable profit. Now, if you give that particular industry, if you begin by huge taxation, you find that it affects the productivity of that company because they don't have enough working capital to meet the day-to-day running of the organization.
Muhammad Abdullahi also commended the federal government for coming up with such a policy as it stands to benefit the nation's economy.
Tax holidays is one of the major incentives that can encourage companies to perform better. So the tax element that they will have paid for these 3 years, they will be able to plow it back to their own production processes, and that will improve the capacity of the various companies and make them perform better. And more especially now that the government is focused on diversifying the economy, I think it's a very much development, and it will encourage the companies to do that and encourage others as well that are willing to come up.
The board calls for strategic steps and measures be put in place to avoid abuse of the initiative.
I should expect that that shouldn't be abused, so that they should at least investigate properly, carry out their own to know do they actually deserve that tax holiday. So if a company deserves it, give it so they can grow, and at the end we're better off.
Aminutul Degrum Pao, 260 News.